What is tax buoyancy? First of all, Finance Minister recently present fiscal consolidation project that surpass expectation of current financial year and budget estimate B for the next year despite the conservative tax buoyancy in the estimates. About the tax buoyancy. Tax buoyancy explain the relation between the change in government tax revenue growth and change in gross domestic product like GDP. There is there is strong connection between the government tax revenue earnings and economic growth. As the economy achieves faster growth, the tax revenue of the government also goes up. Tax buoyancy explains this relationship. It refers to responsiveness of tax revenue growth to change in GDP. When tax is buoyant, its revenue increase without increasing the tax rate. It depends upon the size of income tax, the size of tax basis, the friendliness of the tax administration, the rationality and simplicity of tax rate. Tax buoyancy will be highest for direct tax. Generally, direct tax are more sensitive to the sorry to the GDP growth rate. Another term is what is tax elasticity? A similar looking concept is tax elasticity. It refers to change in tax revenue in response to change in tax rate. For example, how tax revenue change if the government reduce corporate income tax from 30% to 25% indicate the elasticity. And another term is Laffer Curve. It is an economic theory pioneered by economist Arthur Laffer, created in 1974. It visually shows the relationship between tax rate and the amount of tax revenue collected by governments. It suggests that tax rate above a certain threshold reduce tax revenue since they incentivize people not to work. It suggests that there is an optimum tax rate which maximizes total tax revenue. एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं हम. What is gross domestic product? This everyone know, but this topic I have to dictate everyone. Like GDP is the final value of the goods and service produced within the geographic boundary of a country during a specified period of time, normally a year. GDP growth rate is an important indicator for economic performance of a country. Thank you guys. This is my first video on my channel. Thank you.